Okay, here's enhancement 5. First objective is validation. I got the product management, shows no issues, and new category, shows no issues. Next one is the functions page contains a new function creating the nav list. Okay, functions, and I have a build nav list. I suppose I could probably build list. I'll save that. Okay, so functions page, all controllers have replaced the previous navigation list. Okay, so I have the index controller, and here's the build nav list. Index.php, here's the build nav list, and this counts. Built a nav list. Okay, navigation builder custom function is fully operational and navigation continues in all views. Well, I'm not 100% sure how to show that other than just showing the page, but it's building in all views. Can do that. Let's see the home page, and so it's building there. And product, it's working there, so I don't have any errors there. Server-side validation code is fully operational for both the new category and the new product. I think the way to show that is we'll go into a new product, we'll turn off the validate, we'll choose a category, and we got some stuff missing. And it shows please provide all the information. So that's on that one. And I guess we'll do the no validate here as well. Please provide the information. Okay, so we had those validates. Turn that no validate thing on, and it did it. So it didn't validate it because it was missing something. So that's the way to do it. Okay, now next objective. HTML validation is present for all required inputs, new category and new product. So we'll go into the add a category. Oh, PHP. We need the view. We need to add a product. We got required and yeah, different validation. So we have the text for most of them as far as validation is concerned, and then we got add category. We have that one as being PHP, not need the view. We're going to oh no, that is it. Required. There we go. And type is text. So that should be HTML validation there. When we type it in wrong or we're missing something, I'll show it here. Let's refresh that. When we try to do that, it shows a data tags. Please fill out that field. If we're missing or incorrect flag. Okay, so missing data from new product view is successfully detected and returned to the view for correction. Oh, so this is sticky. So obviously that was missing. When this was missing, that was there. Showed both views in the video. Shows that my video shows that both the client side and the server side validation work in add category and add product, and that's my video.